A fiery crash that happened alongside Gillingham Road could have ended up a lot differently if one man didn't decide to step up and help those in need during freezing conditions. On Monday night, Tanner Adder, a tow truck driver, says he was getting ready to leave his apartment for work when he heard a boom.
I happened to see a car laying on its side when I stepped out and a lady screaming for help.
Adder ran back inside his home and called 911. He then says he put on his snow gear, grabbed a fire extinguisher, and drove his tow truck around the block to the crash along Gillingham Road, not far from Breezewood Lane.
It was laying on its side right here. The passenger door, it was laying like this at an angle. The passenger vehicle, passenger door is down here, driver is up here. The lady was sitting on top of the vehicle right here, holding the door open, saying her husband was trapped inside.
Adder says he put out a fire and helped the woman off of the car.
I came back, jumped on top of the car, opened the hood or the door open, seen her husband laying on at the bottom of the car.
By that time, he says he had some help.
As I was trying to pull him up, the officer arrived on scene, extinguished the fire that was in the engine bay again, and then came around. I helped him up on top of the vehicle, and he assisted me with getting the husband out of the car.
If it wasn't for you being on scene and reacting in the timely manner that you did, do you think those people would still be here?
I don't think the husband would have made it, to be honest. I think the husband would have died.
Neenah police have praised Adder for his heroic actions in coming quickly to the help of people in need. The Neenah Police Department tell me that the woman that Adder helped has been treated and released from the hospital. As for her husband, well, he's still in the hospital, but they don't know what his conditions are as of right now. In Neenah, Ezekiel Telemaco, NBC 26.